What's up guys, it's me Geek. So there is a view mode. View mode do not affect the desktop icon or the title. It affect, for example, message. This is the regular size of message. But let me tell you the view mode. Go to setting, display, click view mode on your EMUI 8 phone or the Note 10. Click on the smallest. This is small, you see. Everything becomes small. Let me show you the message. You see everything becomes small. Let me make it big. Now everything is big. This is personally I just like to use on default mode. That's simple. It was me,